Hey everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some really useful AI features inside Canva. Most people already use Canva for things like social media posts or thumbnail, but over time Canva has added a lot of AI features that completely change how you work. So instead of just talking about Canva AI, I'm going to use Canva on screen and show you 7 AI features that are genuinely useful and can actually save a lot of your time. So let's start with writing because this is where Canva surprised me the most. So right now, as you can see, I am inside Canva and I am opening Canva doc here. I will create a new document, and now inside the document, when I click on this plus icon, you will see an option called as Magic Write. So let's try something practical. I am going to write a detailed and well structured summary of the book The 48 Laws of Power, and I will quickly hit generate. And now look at this. In just few seconds, Canva has created a complete summary of a book that is easily over 100 pages long. It's structured properly, it's broken into sections, and it actually makes a lot of sense. Let me just quickly insert it. And here is it. Summary of the 48 Laws of Power, which is written by Robert Greene, is a compelling guide to understanding and mastering the dynamic of power in social and professional setting. It also split the book in sections like introduction, key theme, power dynamic, human nature, strategy and manipulation, selected laws, and finally a small conclusion. Now, let's say I want to go a little bit deeper. Instead of doing anything manually, I will just use Magic Write again. This time, I will type list all the 48 laws mentioned in the book and hit generate. And there you go. All 48 laws written out instantly. And this isn't just plain text. Inside the same document, I can add images, chart, table, emojis, and visuals. So this become a proper visual document, not just a word file. Now let's move away from writing and look at visuals. I'm going to create an Instagram post, and for that I will click on social media here, and once the design opens, I will just quickly go to this magic media button here, and here all I need to do is describe what I want. For example, a cinematic illustration of a person working late at night on a laptop with neon lights and futuristic mood. Now I can just choose the style I want. Let's say I want a more retro wave. I will just click on it and will just hit generate image, and just like that in seconds Canva give me a multiple image option. I can just click on one of these option and instantly start using it in my design. If I don't like the result, I can tweak with the prompt also. Let's say I don't want neon light anymore, premium look, more premium light, and hit generate. And in just second, the Canva AI also gives me some more options to choose from. Let's say I want this guy, I want this design more than this. So I can just open this up and done in just second. And not only this, Magic Media also give us a lot of options to generate the content like images, graphics. I can just type any kind of graphic I want, choose the style, and the Magic Media will generate the design for me, for graphic for me, as well as the videos, 3D models. Now let's combine this with another feature called as Magic Design. And if you are new in Canva, you can just click on Canva AI and you can click on this design button. That's it. Now I will just upload one image that we just created using Magic Media, and we'll write a short prompt. Let's just say change the style to more premium look. Nothing nothing more detailed, just a normal prompt that anyone can give. Let's submit the prompt, and in just seconds ask us what kind of design type we want. Let's from Instagram post, presentation, resume, document, word, Instagram story. But as we discussed earlier, we want this post for Instagram. Let me just click on Instagram post, and in just second Canva looks at the image, understand what's going on, automatically create a complete design layout. You can see posts, slides, different style of design without me designing anything from scratch. At this point, I am really just choosing what look best for me. Let's say I want this style. I can just click on it, and if I want to tweak the text and image, I can just do it from here. If I want to change the color, I can use this one, this one. I have multiple options too. Let's say I want to change the color to anything else, I can do that. Now let's talk about the next feature in our list, the AI features that can edit the image in just minutes. So let me just click on this image and go to the editing button. And now we have a lot of options to choose from. Let's say I want to remove the background. I can just click on it and done. Background is removed as it was never there. To generate a new background, you can just click on this background button and tell the style you want. Let's say I want the office background with person moving randomly, and I will just hit generate, and in second the Canva background generator will give me 4 options to choose from. Let's say I want this option, click done, and there you have it. The background is changed in minutes. Now I don't like how the lamp is selected badly. I can just click on magic eraser and select the button and select the lamp I want to remove and hit generate. In second, the lamp is removed instantly. And not only this, you can also you can also grab the person. Like, let me just show you very quickly. I want to move this bucket a little bit far, so let me just quickly click it, click on grab, and in seconds I can move it wherever I want. Let's say I want to put it here, I can just do it, and if I zoom a little bit more, you can see the bucket moved from here to here. And not only that, I can also grab text, image to video, image to edit, magic expand. Let's say I want to expand the photo from all angles. I can just click on whole page here and hit expand, and in just seconds image expand to the corners quickly. We also get some options to choose from. Let's say I don't want his leg to look. We also get some options to choose from. Let's say this option is more suitable for this photo. Now we can just hit done, and not only that, you can also change the shadow, autofocus. You can blur the photo. You can retouch the face, vectorify, texture, frame maker, anything you want. You can do it in Canva. Let's talk about a feature that is recently added to Canva. You go to Canva AI button here. You can go to Canva AI. Rather than choosing design, choose the code button here. Now let's say I want to create a website, such as build me a calculator website which can convert currencies. I can just submit the button, and in seconds Canva will think about the model, the layout, the UI features, all the cards to use in the website, and write whole code for you in just seconds. It will not only write the front end function, it will write the back end function for you too. And there you have it, your personal website built in just second. I can just write, let's say I want to convert 1000 Indian rupees to US dollar, and we will get the converted amount instantly. And not only that, it also added some quick conversion here also, like US to euro, US to Indian, dollars to Indian. And not only that, it also added a lot of countries you can choose from: euro, British pound, Japanese yen, and lot more. And this is just a version 1. If I want to tweak something, let's say change the background color. Let's say I want to change the background color to pastel. I can just write the prompt and hit generate, and in just seconds the Canva AI model will change the background for me instantly. And there you go. In just seconds, Canva AI build currency converter in seconds. And not only that, if you want to use it in design, you can just click on this button and it will open the design for you in websites, presentation, document as well as whiteboard. And if you want to tweak the code, you can tweak the code from here. And when everything look okay for you, you can just click on this publish button and choose the domain you want to use and choose the website name. Let's say currency converter and hit publish, and your website will publish in just seconds. Everyone know Canva AI is used to generate designs and photos. But do you know Canva AI can also generate video? You can just go to Canva AI button here and choose the video clip. And if you have your personal audio, you can add the audio from this audio button and choose the lightning, whatever lightning, hard lightning or golden hour, which is very popular in nowadays videography. I can just write create a video of a man standing in the beach at night with starry sky. I can choose the style I want. Let's say I want it to be cinematic and send the prompt to Canva AI to generate a video. And there you have it. Your video is ready in just 2 minutes. Now that's really the power of Canva now. You can write document, generate summary, create images, design layouts, remove object, replace element and even generate your own code and video all inside one tool. And these are the 7 Canva AI features that actually make work really faster. That's it for this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and tell me in the comment section which AI feature of Canva you are going to use first. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.